What's up, YouTubers, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to show you where is a tornado and how did it form. Let's just go outside. Here's a tornado. Here's a tornado, and then it just comes raining. So hard, but it's raining a little bit. Look up. You see all those clouds? They formed a tornado. And I see my car just right there, just sitting by a tornado. Okay, so that's all for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.